Hello. This video is going to cover how to send an academically professional email to your instructors here at Dell Tech. Alright, so let's go through what is necessary for a proper email. First, after addressing the email, you want to make sure that you have a subject. So, for my sample, it's going to be assignments for this course. The next thing you want to have when you get to the email is a greeting of some kind. Good afternoon, Miss Souter. Good morning, Miss Souter. Evening. Hello, Miss Souter. Greetings. Some kind of greeting to, it makes it look more professional and you'll be taken more seriously. Alright, so this line here, our first sentence in this email, is if this is your first or second time emailing your instructor. You want to make sure that you put your name there, your 700 number, and then what course that you are in. Like I said, you don't have to do this about the first or second time. After that, your instructor will know who you are because they've now associated you with the course. After you do the introduction, you want to get into why you're emailing the instructor. So here we have, I am emailing you in regards to our latest assignment. Could you clarify what you mean by technical elements of writing? So you've presented me with a clear question of what you're struggling with, and I know how to further help you. I might have to send up a few follow-up emails, just to clarify some things, but we have a start and I know where to begin when helping you. Please note that some instructors will not answer you unless you ask a direct question. So make sure that if you have concerns about the assignment, that you are asking the questions that you have. Explain where you're lost and ask them, where do you go from there? So make sure that you are clearly presenting them with your problem. Once you've done that, you can start signing off your email. So you could do something like looking forward to hear from you, and then have a good day with your name underneath. This is a good send-off to keep in mind especially when you're asking a question. If you're not asking a question and you're just returning an email that they sent to you with an answer, you can get rid of this part. So if I answered your question about technical writing, you could just say, hello, Ms. Adder, thank you for answering that question. It really will help me going forward, period. And then down here, have a good day, John Smith. But this is a good phrase to keep in if you're asking a question. Now for response time, in the academic and professional setting, response time for weekday emails is 24 hours. So if you send an email on Monday, expect to hear back by Tuesday. If it's early Monday, you might get it back sooner. But if you're sending an email after 5 o'clock, do not expect a response until the following morning. For weekends, the expected response time and the most respective response time is 48 hours. So if you email something Friday, check Monday morning. All right, well, that is the professional email in this academic setting that we're in. So things you want to remember that you need to have are a heading, a greeting, an introduction of yourself, a clear telling of what your question is, or what the body of the email is that needs to be done, and then a sign off. So the reason why we're going over all of this is because our first assignment is an introduction email. Well, you'll be introducing yourself like you will be doing here. However, instead of asking a question, you're going to be telling me about yourself. So give me a couple sentences about, is this your first time going to college? What is your major? What pathway are you going through or thinking about going through? Some things you like about some activities. what you're hoping to get out of this course, things like that. And then the second part of this email will be announcing which prompt you will be covering. So we're going to be doing an essay for Unit 1, and the you have 3 prompts that you can choose from. So in this introductory email, you will be telling me which prompt. But that is really all you have to do for that introductory email, and then you'll do your little sign off. Since you're not asking a question, you don't have to do that. You'll just have to do have a good day, your name, and then you'll be done. You can also you can also go to settings and make yourself a signature that already has that kind of sign off, so you never forget it. And that's up there, and you can fiddle around with that as you like. Alright, well that is all I have for this video. Just keep all of these tips in mind, not only for my course, but your other courses. I will be expecting all emails to be presented like this, and if they are not, I will return your email to you and have you write it again. Alright, have a good day.